This is Dan from Action Figure Magic, and today we're going to be doing a special blind box unboxing. This is an older set from 2011. This is Kidrobot Dunny figure. So these are two that I already had in my collection. There's our gray totem-looking guy. I think he's like a sun god. And then there's our avocado. These are probably two of my favorite of the Kidrobot series. And I thought, you know what? Why not? I was at New York Comic Con. They had these. My friend I was with picked up a bunch. I saw the ones he opened. I figured there's a chance that I get some good ones, and I really like the series, so figured why not? Taking a look at some of the other ones I can get. Pretty much all of these are really amazing designs, so I'd be happy with any one of them. I already opened up two, so we'll take a look at those guys, and then we'll see which ones I opened. I'm not sure yet, so I am excited. And first up, let's open up one of the two that I opened up at the show. So this is the one I'm already aware of what I got. This is the Taxi. So this is a pretty cool design. It is designed like it is a car. So it's on the Dooney platform, which is just, it's a blank canvas. All the figures are essentially shaped the same unless they've got some sort of hats. My friend at the show opened up the smoking guy, the witch doctor guy, this little monster guy, and this one of 25 yellow guy. So we know we're not going to get that guy. The yellow mariachi he opened, the avocado, so those are 1 in 25, so we should not get two of those in the case. And we just got a taxi. So there's a chance I get another taxi because those are 2 out of 25. And the other one I opened up was the witch doctor. So he got a witch doctor, I got a witch doctor. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Not going to get another one of those guys. So we are good. Those are out of the box. That's the way the kind of blind box ratios work on there. If it's 2 out of 25, in a case of 25, you will get two of those. If it's 1 out of 25, there's one per case. So there we go. And these two I had for a while. I opened up when the series first came out, so there's a chance I do get this guy in there. Uh, I absolutely love these two. These are two of my favorite of the Dooney series. Not even just the Azteca series, just the Dooney in general. They were still on display and very easy to pull out for this unboxing. But let's get to it. Let's see what the third one I got is. This is suspenseful. So this is taped shut, glued shut, and in a foil case. So there is no peeking. There's no way to know which one you're getting. Sometimes you can try to feel the weight. So someone's got like a hat or something large. You could say, okay, this one seems like it's slightly heavier. It never seems to work. Your hands cannot really tell the difference, but sometimes you feel like you can. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got the Boxer. This is a 2 out of 25, so this is a new one for me. So I'm very excited with this guy. He's got the black eye. He's been in a somewhat of a fight. He's got his boxing gloves. These are slightly articulated, so the head moves back and forth, the arms go up and down, and the hands could hold the accessories. And there he is, 2 out of 25. So there's a chance I get another one, or I get one of the other 2 and 25 guys. And he comes with a little art card. There we go. Chamucha. I think that's the artist name. And now we've got the last of the blind boxes. So let's open this bad boy up and see who we get. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of them. There's a chance I do get a duplicate. There's a chance I don't. There's a chance you get one of the rare figures. That's just the way this works. So my expectations are 0 going into this. I picked them up just because I really enjoyed them. They don't really sell too many of these anymore. Kidrobot stopped really putting out the artist series. So seeing this just kind of brought back the glory days of when I used to collect a ton of Kidrobot blind box figures. So, and I got a duplicate. I got the taxi. Beep 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 yourself. And there we go. So I can make a little traffic jam scene out of these guys now. That's actually kind of fun. I could do that. Not too disappointed that I got a duplicate. Just it's the nature of these figures. You're gonna get duplicates. You play the odds. When I saw a case, my friend bought a few, and I saw which ones he got. I knew the odds were in my favor of not getting those ones. So I figured, hey, why not? I didn't get any of the duplicates of the ones I already had. So I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm going to try to challenge myself and come up with a stop motion using one or all of these figures. So be on the lookout for that. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.